Did you know that you can make garlic bread in an air fryer? You can, and it's come out very perfectly. Hang around and then you will see how. If you want to learn how to make more authentic Thai recipes, click the subscribe button and the little bell to get a note of new recipes videos from me. Air fryer garlic bread. What could be simpler, but isn't it good? Let's get the kid involved and let's go make it. Katie, can you tell Mommy what we used for the ingredients today?
Bread, butter, garlic, parsley.
First of all, I will prepare.
Can I help you?
You can? Mince the garlic.
I know what to do. And you squish it. It's like a monkey.
Yeah.
Banana.
You can't.
There's so little. Help me squishy then.
Oh, well done.
On the other hand.
Next step,
What are you gonna do?
I will put butter. So let the butter go soft.
I'm not gonna mix it up. You mix it up. Let me put it in.
And
Let me put it in.
Chop parsley up.
I'm just gonna wash you. Okay, now that's it. I'm going away. Alright, where's my pencil? Alright, I'm back.
Where have you been?
What? I'm still here. Can I mix it up?
Ah,
I can't hold it anymore. I gotta go fast. Is this enough?
yeah, that's ready. Chop the bread about that thick.
I can't hold it anymore. I gotta go fast. I'm gonna clean it.
So,
Just spread it on the bed.
yeah, just grab
I
some
said bed.
and then spread it on the bread.
I said spread it on the butter.
Ooh, nicely.
I can't hold it anymore. I gotta go fast. Alright.
Aye.
Dude.
Done. Huh?
Guacamole, man, it's coming. It's raining tacos.
Then set the
I have an
temperature to 160.
Okay.
Timer 10 minutes.
I'm gonna go get my mom and get some pizza.
Katie, Mommy gonna show you something, okay?
Okay.
Do you see that?
It's so cold. Look at it.
Come out perfectly.